big congratulations. What was that like?
Joo, kiitos vaan ja ihan huikea fiilis.
Yeah, it's a great feeling. Big win.
And to become a hero in a game like this, tell us.
Minkälaista tulla sankariksi tällaisen?
En mä tiedä, kaikki tässä on sankareja.
I don't know. We are all heroes, so it doesn't matter.
What does this mean for you, though, for your future and everything that comes ahead to score that winning goal?
Totta kai tosi paljon, että kaikista varmaan unelmoi, että sais tehdä tommosen maalin.
Yeah, for sure, it's a big thing, and he believes that everybody's dreaming that can make like that kind of goal in final game.
Are you feeling more on the inside than you're expressing on the outside?
Tunnet sä enemmän sisällä, kun näytät ulospäin?
Tunne.
Yeah.
Yes.
Congrats.
Thank you.